Abelian. Hi and welcome. Let's go live. I'm gonna change hat. There we go. And I'm matching here with the shirt and the painting. Dun, 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 dun. Worked on the visuals a little bit there. Okay, so Beyond Meat. We're doing the same thing as this week. Trying to catch 3% in the session. 2 hours left of the day. Markets have slowed down. So we have to be careful. Not a lot of room for mistakes. We don't know if there's more going on today, and there will be more action. So we're new all-time highs here in the S&P today. Okay, let's be short Beyond Meat. See if we can get today's result from Beyond Meat here. Oh, we're at the resistance here. Okay, so let's move the stop forward. We're not going to lose anything on this one. Okay. So let's try a long there from 31. Minus 1831. Let's add long in the range. Buy, close, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, here, long, short, all the time until this ends. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. 1, 2, long, short, swing trade it, long, short, short, short. Yeah, great, we're short. Yeah, we're short. We're still short. We'll stop, of course, above the range. Yeah, long, short, again, long, short, long, short. Long, short, swing trade it as much as possible. Swing trading this one. Long, short, short, long, long, short. All the time. Continue until this pattern stops. Long, short, long, short, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, short, long, short, long, short, long. Let's see how many. Short, long. God damn it. Short, long, 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 short, long. Trying to make a print screen here. Short, long.
Du kliver ändå fram och där var de noga med, jag vet Robertson sa det liksom att kom ihåg det, media, liksom alla fans, att de som kliver fram ändå, fast också det är de som är de stora spelarna. Så, jag tror att de försökte verkligen peppa upp honom efter det.
Jonas, en sak innan jag glömmer det. Arne Slotts ansvar i det här. Han plockar alltså på slutet ut Szoboszlai och McAllister. Szoboszlai, han har ju ett fick, McAllister vet ju, han är ju straffspecialist i
Long, short. Here, continue. Long, short. Long, short. Continue. Yeah, we're trading long, short. Long, short, we're long. Long, short here between 22, 32 and 33. Long, short. I hope we're live again here. It's no problem. So we're I don't know why So let's see here. So the screen goes dark when I'm sharing these tabs. Okay, so we are live trading beyond here. Okay, so we are live trading beyond here. Okay, so we are live trading beyond here. Okay, so we are live trading. Can you see what I see? Okay, wait a minute here. So we are following Beyond Meat here. I thought we had some technical issues. So we hit a little bit of a resistance here then, or no, a little bit. We hit real resistance here. Let's have come up a lot and gain a lot of. So let's try a short here, see if it breaks down. Keeping the stop time. It should not come back into that range. We're going to stop forward. So moving the stop forward. We would move the stop forward and that shows. So we wait for it to hit the line. That's the goal. We trade. We don't need it to hit the line. So we have a win of 13%. We have 1.5%. We've done half of the trading session's result there. Then we can move the stop forward. So we're not taking risk here. Moving the stop forward. Stopped out there at 68. Yeah. Let's join from 85. Again. See if it continues down to the line. Yeah. And there we're stopped out at 73. After that push, moving the stop forward, 1373. So we did 2% here almost. And then we will test it again here from 56.73 here. Good. Good. Moving the stop forward to 44 here. Stopped out. And we've done our 3% on the day. We'll continue to jump back in it if it continues down. It breaks below here. So we are short with a tight stop then. Very, very tight stop here. I don't want to risk a single tick back. Yeah, we entered 1409 minus 1409. Let's see if we continue. We're not stopped out at 08 though. We can move it to 07. Or if we stopped out, let's say we entered again at 08. So let's move the stop forward there. Take 26, take 0.20. Yeah, good call. Let's take a long, 73. Move the stop forward. I'll take 38. So it's another. Yeah, let's try one more entry long. For a push to the line then, 47. Moving the stop forward, 1347. Gained another 0.5%. 0.44 now. And we move the stop forward. Yeah, we're out. continues to the line. It's going to the line. So we made another 1% there. At least I think right. 1420 to 1303, 45. So we're up around 4% during this session. And we had technical issues after 33 minutes. Really good session. Of course, people could have made lots more money. We would have joined this part here from. And that's not counting if someone would say something that you couldn't trade this range. That's not counting that range. Otherwise, we're up probably 40%. So we are live trading stocks. We are live trading Beyond Meat here. And we'll also have a look at what's moving in other places. Really fun session, fun to trade US stocks, as always. Always a nice feeling on a Friday evening. You know, it's the last working hours here. Okay, let's be short. Hard to say when we got in here. Let's be short beyond here. Moving the stop forward. Hope to get a better entry. Yeah, good. Making money, we take that as well. Good. Stopped out. So another 0.5%. Okay, let's continue the short from 16.012. Stopped out if the price reverses from here. Will be given back. Yeah, I'm out. So plus 0.30%, so another approximately 1% maybe total. Let's try a short from 02, 16.002. Let's try a short, see if this continues down. Moving the stop forward, not losing any money on this trade. So we are at break even. So maybe. So let's try a short in Beyond Meter from 1620. Move the stop forward, take profit 55 there. Thank you. I don't know. So we're live here. So what's going on? Be on mute, Muffy. I'm live here. So I'm live here. Let's see if I can. I don't know if I can edit the stream while I'm. So I'm waiting for a good setup, a good trade. So there's no reason to take risk when things are not moving. So let's see what's going on. Maybe there's a trade in commodities. So things have slowed down here. So we'll be careful. It's 48 minutes, 50 minutes left of the day. Been winning every trading session this week. And if you worked night shift, morning and evening shift, then you don't want to lose the last hour of the week. So let's see what's happening. So let's see if there's a trade here. And Beyond Meat, maybe. I'll look at the 1 minute chart. Let's take a long there from 1652, minus 1652 on the day. Yeah, so we're stopped out. Move the stop forward there to our entry. Not taking any risk. So right below our entry, so 1655 here, we're stopped out. So let's see, maybe we can try a short, or it's only gonna be ranging. So we're gonna range trade, we need a range. So let's take a short here and see if the range continues. Or are we gonna continue down? Let's move the stop forward to 16. Yeah, and then enter. Yeah, good. So we range trading that one. So I'm counting that one at to 1813. So we're range trading it. So we're short. So we take the stop at 89, but we exit again, of course, at 55 when the price came back there. Otherwise, I would not say that we would have taken it again. So 1655 to 1813. So that's another. So we took 60 to 89, from 55 to 89, 58 to 89, 0.30%, and then from from 58 to 13. So it's 55, right? Plus 1%. So 1.55%. So we collected 1.80%, so approximately 2%, another 1.80 there. So we're up 8% at least. Not counting this range in case someone would say that we couldn't swing trade this. Otherwise, we made much more in this session. But let's leave it for another time. Why take reputational risk, as it's called. You want to watch what the talkers are doing? So let's So we are doing well. So let's see. So we've been down to the line here in Beyond Meat. So we're waiting. I missed that trade in Beyond Meat. I was trying to take a photo. Let's play some music at least, right? This is a cool stream I found. So this stream looks cool. Hi. Am I sharing that I'm sharing myself? Hi. The hand doesn't work in the other stream. Meta. This is a cool stream I found. Oops. Okay, so we have one viewer here at least now. So I wonder if we can drive traffic like that. You have more viewers just from having more. We have 2 viewers now. No. No. Yeah. There we go. 2 viewers. So I'm waiting for the stock. Okay, so it bounced. That as well. So sorry for the audience here. I should be following this and not caring about how many followers I have. 2 viewers. So how much did this crazy? So you were here Monday. So I missed Beyond Meat here again. So let's try to trade the evening. 83, move stop forward. Yeah. I think it's gonna continue down. So I was supposed to trade, right? We traded, we took home 0.2%. Let's see. Yeah, this looks like it's coming down more, of course. It's going to come back to the line. Yeah, sure. See if it fakes me. I'm just up forward. Stop out. Say just up forward to my entry. Okay, let's try more. A little bit bad timing there with the long 13. 20, 21, 13. Let's stick with it. Oops, huge loss. I thought we would hit the line here. So we're not giving back more. Let's try to. So 20, 22. We might say 20. One more drop down, I'm out. Huge loss of 1%. Yeah. So 87 is much better than 1%. Let's see if it comes back. No. Yeah. So definitely move the stop forward here. Don't lose on the trade. Of course, the ego can say you want to win on the trade, but it's about not losing. I had a huge potential loss. Very happy with that. For 1%. But that's after being up 8% in the session. So pretty good trading. Okay, let's take a. Let's see what happens at this important line here, where we were lucky to have a stop the last time. Ever up. I didn't dare to take a risk. Yeah, maybe I should have jumped in there, knowing we had a range. That's not good. Now we're in the middle of the range. You could, of course, try along from 83 there. Move the stop forward to 63. Try to make, yeah, we made 0.2% there. Do the same trade again. Yeah. I'm taking 40 there, moving the stop forward, took 40, 21 from 83, 0.43%. Yeah, good. 0.60%. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. Maybe I should be with this one. Yeah. So sorry there for not watching. Now I'm having this problem. It's 47. So we might have 1% more to gain here in Beyond Meat, and then we have extended hours as well. Okay, let's try short here then. From 23.95. See if it continues down more. Never know. Move the stop forward, not taking any risk. You can always get in later again if the price moves up. So I want the 65, but I don't want to miss another breakdown. Should have taken the 65. So normally you should take the 30, probably comes back, but sometimes that happens. So I'll take the 65 this time. Oh, I'm in it long again from 82. Yeah, or short again, I mean, from 82. So I'm short from 24.82 on the day here. Always watching that daily change here. So I'll take 45 then. I'm back in at 18. That's been the range. Yeah, good. I'm short, as you know. Great. So 25, 35. Should have taken 26. Good. A big fast drop there. Might move down more. Damn it. Should have taken. So I am out, stopped out at my entry. Short, stopped out straight away. Damn it. So leaving that much on the table. Potential. Let's take a long then from 23.94 here. I'm stopped out. Well, let's take a short then from 23.430. Stopped out. So I'm moving my stop as close to the entry as possible, not taking risk. Oh, so I had 2%. Not taking the profit, so but another 1% gain there. That journey. Okay, let's try a short from here. See if we have one more push down from 24.12. Give it a little bit of room. I think that was a reaction. Hope we don't see price going up to the line here. Cool. Let's jump out. Play it safe. Let's wait and see what the price does. Let's try a short from 23.94. Let's stick with it a little bit there. Take risk there of 0.64. Moving the stop forward here. Don't want to take risk. I'll take 24.3 there. So I'm taking out 35% of the market. Let's take a short here from 24.65. Let's stick with it a little bit. Give back that 0.5% we earned, perhaps. Thought we were coming down. Stick with it. Stick with it. Below 23.95, which been a holding area previously. Let's see if this is continuing down. A little bit different way to trade it though. Maybe not the best risk management in the way to trade it. Risk of giving back 1% with 6 minutes left. But it looks like it's coming down a little bit more, right? So let's see. Because we don't know, this could be also a rally down that continues deeper than 26.70 we were at before. So I'm short from 24.60. Now I can move my stop forward. Now I don't have to take risk anymore. So I'm moving the stop forward 24.65 where I entered, and if something happens I could always enter again, probably at a better price. Hopefully this will continue down. So we're looking for a double bottom at least. Where are all my tools? Okay, so we're trying to show patience here. Okay, so we have one line here. So let's be a little bit careful. Okay, so we can take 1%. Okay, let's take 1%. Move the stop forward, stopped out. If it passes this line, let's join it at that time. So taking 1% profit short from 26.06 there. See if it continues down. Probably will. Give it a bit of room. Use that profit. Give it a bit of room here. No, I was fooled perhaps. Let's see. Don't want to be fooled. What's happening now? Oh, so I clicked in a bad way there. So 25.30. Maybe maybe I should jump out. Let's try to catch one swing there. That type of swing. So let's range trade it a little bit. No, maybe not range trade it. It's too much, but so let's so 606. So let's try to jump out was what I was supposed to say. So I gave back half a percentage more, 0.76%. I felt rich. Had a perfect line. Yeah, so I took too much risk because I'm thinking now as I speak, so I'm looking for another 0.70% and potential going down more. Yeah, not satisfied with that. But I think we're up above 10, above 11%, right? At least on the session. So it's a huge loss. Could have done differently. So it's not saying that you should do differently depending on what happens, but depending on the prices that you see. So I was just about to say if I get 06, I can jump out and even go long, and we see what's happening. But I didn't dare to go long, but yeah, there was some risk there. Let's try a long then from 23%. See if we push up to the line here. And there we move the stop 4 to 54 there. I don't have to be exactly to the line. I'm looking to get my money back there from the last trade. Good. Yeah, let's try another one. Another long from 23. See if we hit the line. Good. I'll take another 0.5% at 58, moving the stop forward. Okay, let's try it again. One more time. Yeah, moving the stop forward to 71. Ranges can decrease as it did. Good. From 23. So taking 1.20% gains now. So let's take a long there from 23.24. Price moving up. I think it's going to hit the line. Where that line come from, I don't know though. Why I put the line there. Taking profit. So I think the line here. I don't know why I put the line there. So price is very close to line. Yeah, oh, damn. Long from 22.54. Yeah, what should we do? Let's take 1% profit. Yeah. So we moved the stop forward here, so we stopped out at 21.13. So another 1%, so it must be at 12%, right? At least, probably much more. Maybe we should end the stream here. Well, I'm lying down in the couch here a little bit, having a rest, having a look at a few other things. Let's put on something interesting. I was about to say, wow. I didn't notice that. So we dropped from 21 to 25. The close. Damn, I didn't see that. It would have taken us above 15. Oh, that's too bad. Let's see if price continues down or breaks up. So saving my eyes for next week. So we streamed here for live for 2 hours. Let's see what's happening in crude. Crude oil. I'm not rude to oil. It's crude oil. Crude oil. Lukoil. Russian Lukoil. Говорю по-русски. Okay, let's short this one from 27. See if this continues down here. It broke below. Yeah, so we're out a long time ago. So it was a total false breakout. So we're never losing 2% in a single trade, not more than 1%. I just updated here. I was up 12%. And I'm not. So it wouldn't look good if I had those comments there of 2%. No. So we're coming down a little bit. Okay, let's try to get that 1% back. Okay, so get short from 41 to 2641. Let's jump out at 41, back in at 2606, jump out at 41, back in at 06, jump out at 41, back in at 06, jump out long from 41 to 06, short from 06 to 41. So we're taking a same thing, same thing. 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 Maybe it's not something people can do. Okay, so let's try to be short from 26 then, 2606. Mix it. Out. Long from 35, but I want it to be long from 30, from 70. I'm out at 35. I can try a short from 25.35. Moving my stop loss forward to my entry. Take one more tick down to 41. Yeah, perfect. Moving my stop forward. Good. Could of course enter again as well. So there we have 1% back. I can be short from 25.70 then. See if we can touch 41 one more time. Still short from 70. I'm not losing more here than 0.25. I'm out. I should have been longer there. So we're up 12% again, at least. Depending on what people think. Okay, so let's call it a day. Thank you.